So what are we doing today, Rasheed?
Trying to replace this broken door handle here. Looks like the whole mechanism's failed. And hopefully we can swap that out. Got a completely functional replacement part from Sid's Garage.
That's right, limited edition.
Always come to Sid's Garage. And that should fit in there nicely.
Looks like you got it.
Should just
There he goes. Watch out, don't bend the thing. Yeah, watch out. And that's the hook. That's the latchet that loops onto the little hook ring on the back of that. Yep. So you hook it in there, and then you place it, and then you lock it down. So I think you just gotta pop that back.
there it is.
So broken.
So it is.
It's all good because we're gonna put a new one in there.
Straight from Sid's Garage, fresh seal.
Look at that.
Ready to go.
Does
Best
it have a
party
year?
in South Florida. I'm with 2000. No, that's
No,
not
that's
it.
the address. No way, that's from this.
It's a while ago because I was in Florida. So. Best party in South Florida, man.
Put it in a door pit. That'd be funny if you like hid shit from your kids. Like it's in the door panel if they ever find it.
Well, in the old car that they were like, yeah, that piece of shit dad works on out there, and nobody gives a shit. Little do they know he's got the thing stuffed with money and treasures and maps where he's buried other shit. So now I gotta hook that thing. Nice and slow back. Get up there.
Wiggle. Give her a little wiggle.
This needs a little love and tender love and wiggle. And boom. She's hooked in there.
Yeah, that's it.
Test her out.
Well, I think not having these bolts isn't helping.
Yeah, it's probably jiggling and wiggling it around.
Yeah, you're putting more force on that, so you're breaking it.
So I'm gonna go try those bolts again and see if we can get those out.
Dude, this thing's loose, bro.
I know.
Let me see.
Lost the last screw.
I mean, fuck, dude, this is bad. I may have some Loctite, bro. We can maybe put on that. Nice.
Bam.
It's working. Penetration. Look at that. Oh. I got really good aim there. All right.
It's in my eye.
Sorry, I wasn't going for the eye. We got one. This is the shitty one though. Put a hand on the door just for leverage. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. Be shake, rattle, and rolling.
Oh. Loctite and some tri-flow to lock the nut and grease the window a little bit. Yeah, just to get the penetrating shit off. Because if we put that back on with the penetrating oil, it'll just loosen up again. That custom cap holder for your tri-flow. Keys open doors. And so do fixed levers. Tighter than that. Sweet. Ooh, they're even golder. Look at that.
Damn.
Shiny now. Looks good. You lever. You latchet bolts. And we grease the window. Bam.
It's like a new car.
All in one episode.
Now let's just get that door card back in
That's it. Final touches.
and button her up.
Yeah. The best way we figured out is putting this bracket along with the door card and then sliding in the metal brackets into the metal groove on that lip right there. So Rasheed's doing is he's putting the electronics for the mirror switch. It always helps to have another hand when doing this process.
Okay.
Probably want to get these first though, bro. I wanna
Yeah.
get it in here. 'Cause we gotta get it on the latches.
Is it on back there?
No. Oof, it's close. There it is.
No, let's see if we can get that up over that lip. First place. You can see it over there, right?
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, note to the viewers, roll the window down.
Roll it down.
Right now we gotta go come this way a little bit.
Yeah, that should be it right there.
I'm just looking at the line up here.
Oh yeah, how are you there? Yeah, so that's where the shorter bolt goes in there. Yeah. That's it, just push down. Oh, there it is, yep. And then just push down and slide. Yeah, that's it. Dude,
Not sure.
brand new. Oh, that feels good.
Feels real good.
And this thing doesn't wiggle.
And the window works. Goes all the way up. Nice and smooth.
Bam.
Come back and tune in next time on Sid's Garage.
That's right.
See what else we're up to with our E30s.
Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.